Can you see this queue of shoppers? Within an hour, जो आके shopping थती हुई, that means the collection is special and why not? Indian Ethnico, a very famous brand from Bombay, is exhibiting in Ahmedabad for the first time, and they are here at Mage the Gallery. Be Divas Martino show they are bringing, and they have got their handcrafted, beautiful collection of regular ethnics. They have got short tops, they have got festive collection, and everything. I personally feel that it's appropriate to Ahmedabad weather and style, and everything is naturally dyed, hand block printed, so it is going to be very special. So let's go in and check what they have. All the details are there in caption. In case you have any queries, you can let us know in comments.
Hi.
Yes, so what are we bringing for Ahmedabad?
So for Ahmedabad especially, we've tried to get all our styles, all of our collections, the best sellers that we have, including our Prabha Kali. So here we have all the suit sets. This is the one that I'm wearing. We have it in sizes from XS to 6XL, so you can shop your hearts out. Here we have all the suit sets with dupattas. It's 3-piece suit sets. Here are all the dresses. So this is a really soft cotton. So it's great for Ahmedabad summers. This is a special Ahmedabad kite flying dress which was inspired actually from Uttarayan. We also tried to get our newest festive collection for you all. So here is that. It's made in a really soft mull cotton. So it's perfect for Ahmedabad summers. Plus it has really nice gota patti detail. So it really goes with all the festivities that are coming up. So we have this in really nice soothing colors. Then here we have some more of the mulls, the festive collection. Then here we have our best selling dresses. This is from our Gulmohar collection and we have it in 3 colors. It gets sold out really fast, but for Ahmedabad we've made a special stock so that we've just kept it aside so it doesn't get sold out and people can come here and get what they've been wishing, which they've not been able to buy online. Here are all the chudi sleeve kurtas. It's our signature. We have it in a lot of colors and it looks very dressy. It's made in really soft cotton and at the same time you don't really need to wear any accessories. This chudi sleeve is like a add-on accessory to the kurta. And we have our cord sets. This is from my diverse collection. And yes, we have some short tops as well. Short tops. So these are all our short tops. This is my personal favorite. It's from our Gulmohar collection. It's very chic. It's made in really nice love cotton. And I love this color. It just speaks summers and Ahmedabad. No, it's okay. And we have our kurtas here. This is inspired from the Jaipur, the windows there. Yeah. So yeah, the kurtas are there and I think that's about it. We've tried to get our bestsellers from all our collections, and we are at the Mage Gallery, Ahmedabad on 21st and 22nd August from 10 AM to 8 PM. There are discounts available, but those can be availed only if you come to the store. They are a surprise, so please do come.